guys, welcome to the DIY All For You video here. I've got a quick unboxing video. So I ordered a Endoscope. It's a just basic scope that you connect to your smartphone or smart device and you're able to look at it. It's both Android and Apple compatible. Bought it on Amazon. The brand is ILIHOME. Still a quick unboxing here and let's see what it comes with. Pretty simple, not a lot here. Little complimentary card. They want you to do something. You got your instruction manual. You've got the scope and what appears to be connectors. Let's check these guys out. All right, so it looks like we got a, there we go. We got a hook. Goes on the end of your scope. We've got a magnet and we have a small inspection mirror. Kind of cool little feature. Also coming with it, we have a couple of additional replacement clamps for those in case they break. And then depending on the device you're using, it comes standard with a USB-C connector. And then we have a USB-C to Lightning connector for your older Apple devices, and a USB-C to, I believe that's USB-B, the single direction plug prior to the USB-C connector. So it looks like it comes with everything. Now I have gone ahead and pre-downloaded the application on my devices, but if you read the instructions here, it'll tell you to go get the IC Pro application. It's pretty straightforward. There's this rest of the booklet is in alternative languages. It's literally this single page really for English. So let's plug it in and try it out here, guys. So I've got a Apple iPad here. All right. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna launch the application. Now then, with the application launched, it shows that it wants us to be rotated this direction. It's telling us to plug in the device since I'm going to be using it with this Apple older iPad. And, let's go ahead. It comes with a nice little storage Velcro strap there. Actually, two of them. It is 16.5 foot long lead, and they state that it is capable of 1080p. So just to give you an idea here, 16.5 feet. It's a pretty long guy here, so fully straightened out. And we'll just keep going. Now this is water resistant, good to I believe 3 meters for 30 minutes. It's also corrosion resistant. It costs $14.99. This is a really good tool for any home, DIY, automotive, anything at all that you could ever need for, because quite simply there's just places that are too small for us to get into. So got my stand here. I'm just gonna plug that in. Once you get it plugged in, you get that little green light, which shows the device is connected, and it immediately loads the device. And what we have here, well, goes to show you, need to be more careful. Also, because I did look at the device, and when you did it, it unplugs. That'll give everybody a good laugh. We'll keep that in there. When you plug in the device here, I believe, yeah, there's an icon with two little circles. You can actually rotate this, or sorry, that's how you rotate the actual camera feed. There's a device rotate, looks like a little tablet there. So we'll do that one. And that'll allow us to rotate the device this direction here. Here we go. Sorry, this is kind of an unorganized video today, guys. All right, so we can see here that we've got the LED and we can see the GoPro there on the feed. So let's rotate the feed, and now we are orientated right side up. You are able to take both photos and video with it. I will post a picture or video if I can move this to my computer, and I'll actually put it in the video so you're able to see it. But it seems like a really simple, easy, straightforward to use device. It does have the adjustable lighting on the LED here. So as over here, there's a little control built-in lock. If you can see that here on this LED, turns down, turns back up. It's just a great little device there, man. This will be good for if you're doing any type of engine work, you need to get down and inspect anything. I actually am going to be also using this on my fireplace. It has a clog in it, and I'm not really sure where. So I'm gonna snake this guy down into that fireplace, or up into the fireplace, and it should let me see what that blockage is. Again, some of these little adapters that it comes with will be quite useful. You've got your little magnet right there, which if anybody's ever worked on a car with an open engine and you drop something down in there, that little guy right there will probably save your life. And it just looks like it just snaps on. You push it on, and then there's a little snap ring there. There's an indentation. There you go. And that'll pick up anything for you, small. Probably not anything too heavy, but then to change it, you just unclip the little snap there. Like I said, a little mirror lets you see, if you go down into something, lets you kind of see back up. And then again, a little hook if you're going to maybe snake wires in your wall, trying to run electrical, anything like that. It's a great little device. I'll tell you, this USB-C to lightning adapter is probably worth the purchase cost in and of itself. I don't know how many of you have a bunch of old Apple devices maybe laying around, but you've got a whole bunch of USB-C everything else now, especially now that Apple has moved to the USB-C as their connector. So it's very possible that that little adapter could come in handy for more than just utilizing with this. I will have to test that and try that. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. It's a quick little video here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more videos like this, automotive tools, and then also we'll be getting into a lot more home DIY here soon. Until next time, all DIY, all for you.